In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Dropbox. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can follow along in your web browser without any confusion. First, open your preferred browser and go to dropbox.com. Make sure you're on the official site before continuing. Once the page loads, log into your account. Enter your credentials only on the secure Dropbox login page, and if you use additional verification, complete that as well. After you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. On the left side of the screen, look for the panel of options and click the Folders tab. This view helps you see your folders in an organized way, which is useful if your files are grouped by project or topic. If you keep everything sorted, this step makes navigation much faster. Next, select the folder that contains the file you want to download. Click once to open it. If your files are nested inside multiple folders, just follow the structure one level at a time until you're in the right place. You'll see a list of items and each file will be shown in its own row. Now, locate your file. If there are many items, take a moment to scan carefully. You can glance at the names, types, and modification dates to make sure you've got the right one. Once you see the file you want, move your mouse over that file row. When you hover over it, the row will highlight and extra icons will appear, indicating that more actions are available. Look toward the right side of that row for a button with 3 dots. This is the More Actions menu for that specific file. Click the 3 dots. Be careful not to click the file name itself, which would open a preview instead of showing the actions. From the menu that appears, select Download. As soon as you click Download, your browser will begin fetching the file. Depending on your settings, the file may save automatically to your default Downloads folder, or your browser may ask where you'd like to save it. If you're prompted, choose the location that makes the most sense for you and confirm. For larger files, give it a moment to complete. You might see a progress indicator in your browser. Once it finishes, you'll have the file ready on your computer. That's all there is to it. Go to dropbox.com, log in, navigate to the Folders tab, pick your folder, hover over the file, open the 3 dots menu, and select Download. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you download your files from Dropbox with confidence.